Hello, I'm Raymundo. I'm going to talk about the contingency job loss due to COVID-19. And in May, and 344,526 jobs were lost due to COVID-19 pandemic. The Mexican Social Security Institute, the IMSS, reported Friday this represents a drop of the monthly rate of 1.7%. This means a slight improvement. After 555 247 jobs were lost in April due to the crisis caused by the pandemic, and in March, when containment measures began, and 130,593 jobs were lost. In this major safety concern for Mexicans, as hundreds of thousands of families are left without the income needed to meet basic psychological needs such as food, and eviction situations may arise for many families. In Mexico, the first case of coronavirus was recorded in Mexico City on February 29th. From that moment, without indications from the federal government, companies began to take measures to prevent the spread of the virus in their workplaces, such as working at home and limiting access to workspaces to pregnant women and elderly. In this situation without precedents, which will test people on how each one will take this situation. If the objective analysis for the resolution of the economic problems that society is facing will predominate, or if the emotions of antipathy will predominate in front of the situation that could generate a desperation among the population. A balance between both rational and emotional points of view will result in the resilience of population of this situation. In the same way, it will test the virtuosity of the Mexican population, because in order to move forward in this tragic situation, the support of all will be needed to help the most vulnerable population, taking into account the value of unity. For that, each citizen will have to take into account the reality of his own situation to know what actions he will have to take in the future, taking into account the value of truth. This will promote in the population the personal capacity of problem solving, since reiterating this is an unprecedented situation that had not happened since the financial crisis of 2008, and only people with the appropriate virtues will be able to go forward and face the problems that beset our country.